want some dinner? Somebody needs...
Policing, no!
Nights. They was running through the house and running across her couch and jumping from her footstool to
You didn't? I didn't see you go. Well, guess we're going back in. Dad's not
Again, getting the action because Connor is inactive again with an ankle. So this defense had a season-high 5 sacks last week. People call it the Miami Miracle, but they might look at it more like the Dolphin debacle if you're on the New England side, as they pulled off a once-in-a-generation.
Did you go potty? You didn't? I didn't see you go. Well, guess we're going back in. Here we go. You want some dinner? You want to eat some dinner? Is that a yes? You want some dinner? Somebody needs to cut their claws. Do that again. Here. Come on, let's go. Let's go get some dinner. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's get some dinner. Come on. Come on. Go ahead.
she said them kids was running
Sniffing to go find us. Policing, no!
nights. They was running through the house and running across her couch and jumping from her footstool to
Nike. And then my dad's Nike logo on his shirt on his chest.
That is from just rinsing.
Dang it.
Look.
Pirates of the Caribbean, Pirates of the Caribbean.
second and 4 here for Pittsburgh. And again, same play. Samuel has the first down. Samuel is into the secondary. And he's run out of bounds at about the 33. Alejandro Villanueva had for him for 25. It's a fantastic watch Samuels go out and then come right back under. And you're going to see him go up.
Да. 13 лет она приехала. Что она могла там в России видеть? 13 лет мы еще мозг вообще наш был там.